I start with a scrap piece of ivory that I want to turn into something finished, and it's very damaged. I fix the back up good enough so I can cut it on the bandsaw. Chips are broken up and fit into the low places. I glue these pieces in place, and every damage is different, so this is just a test, seeing if this is going to work or not. I do a quick sand and examine it and think, no, this method is not going to work. And so the plan is to surround the damaged area with wood putty to make a little dam where I can pour the resin. I have other videos showing how to do the resin work, but I do that and then I do a sand and it looks like this might work. The resin covers everything, so I'm able to sand down to the exact level I want. And so the sanding and polishing is covered in other videos, and this is the final product, which I think I can live with. I have a product that I can use. And this is an ancient material, so almost always needs help of some kind, so don't throw away stuff that's got some damage. I have a website, which is my landing page. There's a link to everything about me, my knives, my art, my books. And this is where you will find links to videos and my blogs and everything about me. This is the QR code. If you have a phone and you want to scan it, it'll go right to my site.